It was really engaging, and it was a bit of a memory lane for me of thinking through those challenges and how did we solve them, and were we lucky or were we smart? Were we a bit of both?
To be quite honest, we started it knowing almost nothing, especially when it came to enterprise software, which was the space we were going into.
It's really fascinating to see how you can scale up your business, right? From a kind of startup to a scale up to a unicorn, let's say a decacorn, or to like a Workday kind of company.
Fantastic lineup. A perfect fit between the two keynotes.
The experiences and thoughts of Collibra and Workday were very inspiring for me.
I learned how important data governance is.
Data is king, humans are queen, and you need a good marriage.
More than 100 participants, they got out of their comfort zones to brainstorm and to produce rich content, rich elevator pitches.
You can go from challenge to a pitch in less than an hour, and that by bringing diversity into the room, you have so many different solutions coming from each angle.
The mix in between interesting keynote speakers and an interactive workshop is really enabling me to get the best out of it.
It was very nice to hear their challenges and the pains that they went through, how to bring your value proposition, talent acquisition, partnering, M&As.
I loved the workshop, and also the networking session after the workshop was actually quite original.
It was a very nice digital tool to organize ideas and create great conversations.
The collaborative thing was very amazing and very successful.
What you guys did, what you guys were able to achieve is absolutely remarkable. I'm already looking forward to the next one.